Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from LipMonthly, and normally they send it in like a small zipper bag, but this time it came in a little plain pouch. And here's the card. This is for April 2020. And it does not give you the products or the prices. In the past it did, and I really liked that, but they discontinued writing that information on the card for whatever reason. And there are 4 products this month. So the first thing I'm pulling out, Noya, perhaps is how you say it, a simple and awesome organic vanilla lip balm. I do love a good lip balm, so I'm excited to have that. Also have from Naked Cosmetics, Mother Nature, and it literally doesn't say what it is. Kinda assume it's just eyeshadow. That's what it looks like, at least. It is sealed. So they did start something where they were going to include a product that was not a lip product, but I don't think they did that last month. I feel like they did it once. Let's take a look. So here's what it looks like. It's actually really pretty. And it is a powder, and yeah, I think it's just a loose eyeshadow. I got some on my hand here. Yeah, it's real pretty. But a little messy because it's not pressed, it's loose. So the next item is from Belle Cosmetics, Matte Glitter Lip Cream. And this is cool too, it's glittered and textured. So I like the packaging for this. That is a bright red. You could definitely see some fine glitter in there. That is too dark of a shade for me, I believe. And the last item is from Larissa Cosmetics, Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is probably, if I had to guess, more of a nude shade. They tend to send a lot of those, which is fine because that's what I like. Yeah, it's a pretty color. So that is what I got in my April bag. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link below. I think it's a good deal because you get 4 products and they are full-size lippies and sometimes non-lippy products. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave my link below and a playlist in case you want to see what I've got in the past. Bye guys!